You ever looked at your phone and thought, man, I wish there was an app that could magically handle my entire business? Like, the one that's always ringing, the one that's always breaking, the one that's always demanding attention? Yeah, that one. Imagine a world where scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and even marketing your service business was as easy as tapping a few buttons. A world where you could spend less time juggling paperwork and more time, well, doing the actual work you love. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, get ready to wake up because Housecall Pro might just be that dream come true. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's be clear, Housecall Pro isn't just some fancy app. It's a game changer. It's the Swiss Army knife of your service business. It's the thing that could potentially turn your chaotic, stress-filled days into organized, profitable ones. But don't just take my word for it. Let's break it down. First off, scheduling. Ever missed a job because you double-booked? Or worse, showed up at the wrong address? Housecall Pro's got your back. With features like drag-and-drop scheduling and real-time updates, you'll never lose track of a job again. Plus, it syncs with your team's calendars, so everyone's on the same page. But scheduling is just the beginning. Once you've booked the job, you need to get to it. That's where dispatching comes in. Housecall Pro helps you optimize your routes, assign jobs to the right techs, and even track their progress in real time. Say goodbye to wasted time and fuel. And let's talk about those dreaded invoices. Gone are the days of handwritten estimates and late payments. Housecall Pro lets you create professional estimates and invoices in seconds. You can even send them digitally and get paid faster. Plus, it tracks your payments and keeps your finances organized. But wait, there's more. Housecall Pro isn't just about the day-to-day grind. It's also about growing your business. With built-in marketing tools, you can attract new customers, build your reputation, and increase your revenue. From online booking to customer reviews, Housecall Pro has you covered. So, is Housecall Pro the magic bullet for every service business? Maybe not, but it's pretty darn close. It's a tool that can help you streamline your operations, improve efficiency, and boost your bottom line. And who wouldn't want that? Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how much does it cost? Well, the beauty of Housecall Pro is that it offers plans to fit businesses of all sizes. So whether you're a one-person operation or a growing team, there's a plan for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.